So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Friday is 22nd of December. Let's have a look what happened with prices. So we've had this bullish continuation move in the US dollar against the Japanese yen. As you can see here, we've respected 20-period moving average marked out here in red. Very consistent move to the upside, all the way up into that area of resistance, that area of interest. So we've got an area of interest of resistance here marked out in red at 1356. So 1356 major level that we are looking at. As we can see, prices have tested it, consolidated below it, so we've not broken beyond 1356 at the moment. It is a major level, so we would expect a strong move to break it. We need to see quite a bit of a bullish upside momentum to successfully break 1356. A break of 1356, we might possibly see a retest before we get continuation. Now, if we do get continuation beyond 1356, the very next level that we are targeting is 114.30, which is a very strong major level to the upside. But we'd first have to successfully navigate 1356 before we start to look at this very strong level in around that 1430. If, however, we do see a continuation of this breakdown from this 1356, we might get another test of 1356. If we don't break it, we're looking to target 1304, a break from which, actually, before we look at breaking 1304, pretty close by, we do have the 200-period moving average. So it may act as a further confluence. So we'll see how price reacts to 1304 as well as this 200-period moving average, a break from which we're looking to target 1277. 1277, so we've also got the 400-period moving average as well, further adding to a confluence, increasing likelihood that we might see some buy side momentum coming off this 1277 for further upside move beyond possibly 1304 and heading towards that 1356. If however we do see a breakdown in prices below this 1277, 1252 be targeted, as it is a major level, before we could see some possible buy side momentum come to the market. If we do break from there, 1215 and below there, we're looking at 1160, but 1161 coming to focus. That's pretty much near 200 pips away. So what we could be looking at far end of the range, possibly being in around this due to the fall off in volatility, unless we do have a fundamental catalyst. 1252 will likely be the far end of the range if we do successfully navigate all the levels of support above 1252. And we've mentioned 1430 being to the upside and is a very strong level. So I'll just go on to the daily chart just to highlight the reason why 1430 is a very strong level. If this is your first time watching one of the videos, I normally do. So if you look over here to your left, we saw this sell side momentum coming off that 1430 again. We've seen sell side momentum coming off 1430, and again we've seen sell side momentum coming off this. Sorry, my drawing there is a bit not up to par. So we saw this sell side momentum coming off the 114.30. So again, we would see our price react there. It does seem to be a very strong level for sell side momentum to enter the market. So as we've mentioned, everything here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Thanks for watching.